welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to do a quick comparison. Which tool should you use, Windsurf or Firebase Studio? So Windsurf is an AI-powered code editor, like Visual Studio Code, and it's built in Cascade with a built-in Cascade agent that assists you in multi-file refactoring and terminal commands and also deployment. Firebase Studio, normally formerly Projects IDX, which is Google Cloud-based VS Code like IDE with Gemini-powered AI built in iOS, Android emulators, and tight Firebase/Google Cloud integration. So let's just talk about the pros or strengths of each one of them. For Windsurf, it has some deep contextual awareness and multi-file refactoring with its Cascade agent. And it has some smooth integrations with terminal commands and deployment workflow. It has a free tier with high model access and privacy focused data policy. If you go here to pricing example, you'll find the free plan with a lot of things to do. And of course, users praise its productivity boost, especially for frequent CLI tasks. So other than that, in Firebase Studio, it's no need it does not need any installation required. This runs fully in the browser with instant access. You can click on try Firebase now, create an account, and start working with it. And it has native support for full stack development, Node, Flutter, Web, Firebase, databases, and it's built in iOS/Android emulators, and starter template makes mobile prototyping fast. For example, you can just go and accept that, and you can just go and click on confirm and start using it. So for the cons example, or let's just say as a final verdict, you can choose Windsurf if you are a developer craving a local and powerful AI IDE with terminal and deployment tools. And you work, an example, on multi-file, like CLA heavy projects and appreciates privacy control. Or you can choose Firebase Studio if you want some browser-based zero setup IDE with emulators and cloud prototyping. And if your focus is on mobile/cloud apps, Firebase, Flutter, Web, and instant collaboration. So the real talk is you can use this, and Firebase Studio is an early stage but promising for rapid prototyping through current AI support, and it needs some refinements to be production ready. But Windsurf has a high potential, but can be buggy sometimes. Some users love it, with others warn it can break your code or drain credits fast. So if you want something, you'll have to go and choose or make your choice depending on whatever suits you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.